Hey, what's up, guys? You might have been cracking down how people are creating these awesome AI generated 3D figurines or 3D collectibles. Also, you might be thinking how they are converting them into nice videos. So today we are going to do that, everything free. So head towards your favorite browser. You can do it on your phone, on your tablet, on your laptop, desktop, anywhere as long as you have internet and a browser. Yes, so I am here in a browser. I have searched for Gemini AI in Google. You can use any browser, just search for the Gemini AI. Also, I'm going to tell you one more way where you don't need to use Gemini AI. You can directly create a video from an image as well, but I'm going to show you both the ways. So let's first quickly go to the Gemini AI, and now you can see Gemini is Google's AI engine, and Gemini has launched its new image creation or image editing model called Nano Banana, and you can try it for free as long as Google is allowing. But yeah, so let's quickly click here on the create image. You can just upload an image. So I'm just choosing something, probably this. Okay, let it upload the image, and you have to paste this prompt. If you don't know where to get this prompt, then just scroll down to this video and you will find it in the description of this video. Now just send this to Gemini, but wait, before that you have to do two things. First, let me know in the comments if you have created your own figurine yet or not. Second, just subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Okay, now let's just send it to Gemini and let it create this awesome collectible for us. Okay, let's head back towards the second option where it creates the image as well as the complete video. Now we have to head towards another website. It is called Pixverse. I'll put that link in the description as well. Here you can create videos from the image. That is one way where you generate image from the Gemini and you generate a video from here. But Pixverse has agents as well. So let's just go to its agent, and now you can see there's this 3D figurine factory. So I'll just click here and this will open it in a new tab. Okay, let me just pause this and just upload your image. So I'll just select another image here. Okay, let's just choose the same image. And what next? I just have to click on this create, and you will need 60 credits, so one free video you can generate per day. And if you come back tomorrow, you will get more 60 free credits. If you want to generate more, then just subscribe to any of the plans on Pixverse. I'll put the link of this agent in the description below. So just click on create, and now let it create the video. While let's head back towards the Gemini if it has created. Okay, now we can see it has created this nice 3D miniature or 3D collectible of Ronaldo. And yes, okay, this looks awesome to me. You can change the prompts. I have also added variations of the prompts. In this specific prompt, I have used a retro style where you can notice a retro computer and a retro vintage styled lamp, then this nice old wooden table and the bookshelf in the background. So you can just use any or variations of the prompts. I'll put that everything in the description so you can just copy and paste it. Let's head towards the Pixverse, and now it has said, okay, I have generated the image. Nice, this looks good. Now it is taking the same image which it has generated and generating a video for us. So it will take, let's say, around 2 to 3 minutes, or probably okay, it is faster now. And now you can see this is awesome. Let me just full screen this, and you can see okay, the system is, yeah, so it has added the music. It has created this nice 3D figurine. This is awesome, guys, this is awesome. So if you want to create more, just subscribe to any of the plan, and yep, that's it. If you want to share this, you can. So if you want to share this, you can just download this. uh, it will have watermark, and if you go for the paid plan, it will have without watermark. But yeah, if you want to just follow the trend, then you don't have to pay, you just have to download it. And now you can see we have this Pixverse AI generated video of 3D collectibles. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's see you in the next video.